What's up guys, I'm Sean. I just bought this Maxi Trac air compressor from Napa Auto. It was about 90 bucks shipped on sale. This air compressor does about 10 CFM, whereas the current one I have, Viair 88P, only does about 1.5 CFM. So this air compressor is good for one tire at a time, but I just built this 4-tire deflator inflator kit. If you haven't seen that DIY yet, check it out. But this is going to allow me to deflate 4 tires at the same time and also inflate 4 tires at the same time. So I need a stronger air compressor than this. This one only does about 1.5 CFM. This one does about 10 CFM. This air compressor comes with a short hose that plugs into an extended hose. And this hose has an air gauge and a tire chuck for 1 tire. Because I'm not using this as a factory setup, I need to modify it so it can work with my 4-tire deflator kit. And to do that, I'm going to cut off this hose. This is the hose I picked up from True Value Hardware Store. It's 99 cents a foot. I picked up 6 feet, and this hose is meant for air. It's 3/8 inch size. My hose clamp for this. You can use soapy water if you like. Install it here. I'm going to tighten the hose clamp. Other side of the hose. This is my custom setup I have. It's a 3/8 Barb fitting. Female that goes to a 1/4 inch MNPT for the quick release air compressor. Tighten the hose clamp. Should plug right into this. Boom, just like that. And let's give it a test. My 4-tire deflator inflator kit is hooked up. And right now it's at 34 PSI. Let's see how long it takes to drop 10 PSI. Ready, start the timer, go. Stop timer. Alright, we only dropped about 3 PSI. Let's start again. Stop timer. Now we're at 27 PSI. That took about 39 seconds. So let's go a little bit more. Oop. So I did about 1 minute and it dropped it about 10 PSI. So my 4-tire setup takes roughly 1 minute to drop about 10 PSI. Let's get the Napa air compressor set up. It uses alligator clips to the battery, so I'm going to start the engine so it doesn't drain my battery. And this is the reason why we extended the hose 6 feet and put on the pneumatic coupler right there. So I can plug it in right here. Plug this in. Battery's hooked up. Compressor is ready to go. And let's see how fast it'll do 10 PSI. Start timer. Stop real quick. So 28 seconds for about 6 PSI. Let's go another 30 seconds. Resume. Start. Stop the timer. Wow. I stopped stopped a little late, but it was about a minute. So it's about a minute to get to 34 PSI. So about 1 minute to drop it 10 PSI and about 1 minute to inflate it 10 PSI with my 4 tire setup and this Napa air compressor that does 10 CFM per minute. Now when I go off-roading, 1 minute to drop it 10 PSI and about a minute to inflate it 10 PSI, and that's all 4 tires at the same time. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.